Good morning. We're off for some mommy and me adventures today. Where will we end up? Let's see. Just a little insider that I just learned. Sometimes you're traveling in the airports with your little ones and you have those long layovers. So I am in the minute suites, and they charge by the hour. It's typically $55. We didn't necessarily have a whole hour until we start to board. By the time I came over to check this place out, because my little one was just running all over the place, touching everything dusty, working my nerves, okay? It's too early. But anywho, so I came over and talked to the young lady, and she let me know that they do have a free half hour for nursing mommies, that you can come and utilize the room for that. And I'm not nursing, but she does need a little break and a little quiet space, so this is perfect. But just a little tip, just a little hack for those of you traveling with infants and little toddlers. We made it on the flight. Is that good? We on our way. We made it. I'm just happy I got storage on my phone.
Bet you it.
Huh?
Yeah, bet you it.
Hey y'all, so we are in the, I think it's called the North Star Shopping Center or Mall. Came here to get the Pandora charm and the world's largest cowboy hoops was right outside. Had to snake them so tough. Just left out of Target to get a more comfy apparel for tomorrow because baby, them jeans all day. We are definitely leggings girls, right? Okay, now off to the river walk. Hopefully we can get a tour. It's such a beautiful night. I love it. Huh? Right? It feels so good. We out here, y'all, in these San Antonio streets. It smells mad good, first of all. Let's see. Oh, this is Whataburger. Oh, it's a selfie museum. Okay, but I think we came through, no, we came from this way, so we gotta go this way, babe. Yeah. Hey, look at Coyote Ugly. Is that the one from the movie?
What Coyote Ugly?
There's a movie called Coyote Ugly. It's a world famous. Okay.
That's a club.
I know. It's from a movie. Oh yeah, come this way.
There's a time Jesus asked his disciples. He asked his followers, "Who do men
It
say
looked
that I
like.
am?" And Peter answered him. You know, he said, "Well, some
the
people are saying
bathroom?
you're a prophet. Some say you're Elijah."
Oh.
of the oldest neighborhoods in the great big state of Texas. It was made all the way back in 1722.
No, you better not. The Rough Riders.
Revolutionary also like to cross the river here. On the right, you see through. Sometimes people ask me, Captain Justice, what is she gazing to the star at? What's she trying to figure out? Well, everybody, I'm from Minnesota, actually gazing through that star at Beethoven Love, which is a Legoland. You guys just let me know. Now, folks, we're in a very heavy crosswind right here. Now, this boat captain on the left-hand side is very intelligent, and he is actually waiting for us to get into the lagoon before he comes out. Remain seated at all times. Keep all your body parts inside the wooden rails. Take a look at that concrete flower pot in front of us. You see how it's tipped over a little bit? That's because it got hit by one of these boats, everybody. So this is an area that is notoriously...
Howdy, y'all, and good morning. Today, we are headed to the Natural Bridge Caverns. Mad excited. I call myself trying to do a little get ready with me vacation edition this morning, but don't have the proper tripod, and it was nowhere for me to really prop my phone, so here we are. Anyhow, so I got my little Let's Go Girls shirt on with some black leggings. My little skippies. We about to go see these caverns. This is the whole reason why I wanted to come to San Antonio. So, I've always had like a fascination for caves and stuff like that, natural caves and stuff under the ground. So, most of the caves and stuff you see are like, they at some point you got to crawl or squeeze through. I'm not trying to do all that. So this is a family friendly one, and I am mad excited to check it out and go on this tour. So come along with us. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that you can do it. Where are we going?
Don't know.
Okay, kids be haters. Got the little continental breakfast. And we out. They about tired of me. It says entrance ahead to the left. But you know what? I would let us do it, but we don't have that much time. You heard me, baby? Hold her hand tight. Stinks in here. Weird. Oh, it's moving. Okay, come on. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This is insane. This is insane. Okay, look, I need you to be extremely careful. You got her in? Go ahead. Wow, this is insane. Yo, this is crazy. Careful, slow. Wow, like we is really in the cave right now. Keep on. You want to ride, Gil? You want to bet? All right, y'all. So we just came out of the cave. First impression. What do you rate it?
A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it was absolutely amazing. Like, we were so far under the ground, and we came out mad far. Like, we came out right here, and we're on the other side of this, and we started way over there. I don't know if I could show y'all, but so we was just under all of this Moody. We was under.
I know.
That is insane. And she can't wait to run. Get back here. You too far. So now we about to hop in the car, get some gas, maybe get some real breakfast if they hungry. I'm definitely getting coffee, and we gotta hit the highway to our next adventure. Mad exciting. Yes.